girl Janae Michelle from This Curvy Girl's Life, and I am back with another video. Yes, another video. But today's video is all about natural hair, and I just want to hop right into this video. So if you want to know how I achieve maybe these curls, how my hair looks so moisturized and soft and supple, then keep watching. Okay, so a few weeks ago, I had the opportunity to attend an event here in Los Angeles. It was the LA Naturals meetup group, and what we did was we actually met up for a documentary that was called Back to Natural, and then afterwards we actually went out to lunch, and one of the guests at the event was the acclaimed actress Kimberly Elise. It was a pleasure meeting her, and I'll throw a photo here so you guys can see. She is so sweet, so sweet, and she actually has a natural hair care line. For those of you that don't know, she's not only an actress, but she's also an entrepreneur. So yeah, she has a natural hair care line, and the thing that I love most about her natural hair care line is that she has formulated it for hair that is kinky and coily. That is me all day. I thank you. Thank you, Kimberly Elise. I appreciate you. I love it because you can tell how well the products are formulated, because for my hair to feel soft, or to immediately feel the benefits of a conditioner, or to immediately feel the benefits of a leave-in, you know, that's really rare. Sometimes I have to work it in, I have to let it sit. But with these products, I was able to feel those benefits immediately. Dude, that was awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna hop right in and tell you guys what I did. I actually washed and conditioned my hair. After I got out the shower, you will see me use the leave-in conditioner, and you will also see me talk about the sealing oil. So let me tell you guys a little bit about each product. The Aloe and Coconut Balancing Shampoo. So it says this aloe-based shampoo provides just the right amount of moisture and cleansing power without stripping your delicate strands, to rinse away accumulated dirt and oils that have been blocking vital nutrients and water from reaching the hair strands. After use, your hair will feel clean, soft, and moisturized. I absolutely agree with that 100%. And the thing that stands out the most is it's true. Your hair will not feel stripped at all. It will feel freaking squeaky clean, but it will not feel stripped of the oils. And so that I absolutely loved. So then I went into the Aloe and Shea Moisture, the Aloe and Shea Butter Moisturizing Conditioner. And that one says it softens, moisturizes, and detangles your hair using this ultra nourishing conditioner, which features hydrating aloe vera, softening mango seed butter, lemongrass, and strengthening olive oil. An oil-rich conditioner formulated to provide extreme softening. This conditioner will make your hair feel stronger and more manageable, used for detangling. So the thing that I had mentioned probably a little bit earlier and later on in the video is this product is so thick. Like, this is one of the thickest conditioners I've ever used. But a little bit goes a long way, and they're absolutely right. Your hair feels so soft, so moisturized immediately following, you know, your shampooing. You will feel such a difference with this conditioner. I allowed it to sit on my hair while I finished my shower, and then when I rinsed it out, my hair just felt so soft, so manageable. And I did detangle with this product in my hair. Fabulous. Great slip, easy. My hair, you know, my comb went through my hair with ease. A+. Absolutely love it. So then, of course, when I got out of the shower, I used the aloe vera and marshmallow root leave-in conditioner, and this says it moisturize and hydrate your freshly washed hair using this essential oil rich buttercream blend. Marshmallow root extract naturally hydrates your hair strands and makes strands look and feel thicker. You can also use it for twist outs, protective styles, and braids. Once again, a little goes a long way. Your hair feels really soft, it feels really moisturized. All of the products smell amazing, and this is probably this and the well, so I mean, it's hard for me to pick favorites, but the two conditioners in this line are truly standouts for me. These definitely stand out the most. So then you can finish off your hair with the Argon and Castor with Pomegranate Oil Nutritive Sealing Oil. And this says, sealing is the final and most crucial detail to a well moisturized hair routine. Grapeseed and castor nutritive sealing oil blends beneficial ingredients like castor oil to seal in the moisture, and vitamin C rich and pomegranate oil to help stimulate the scalp. This lightweight oil won't leave your hair greasy, and you can use between shampoos to help maintain softness and shine. One of the things I can definitely say is I enjoyed the way that it felt on my hair. It doesn't feel heavy at all. It doesn't feel weighed down, and it didn't block any of the products that I use following, you know, my wash routine, because then I go into, I guess, my wash and go style. So the products that I have are in the travel kit. You get 2 ounces in the conditioners, the shampoo, and the for the conditioner and shampoo you get 2 ounces, and then you get 0.5 fluid ounces of the sealing oil for $24.99 in the travel kit. And then they do have the larger sizes available for $59.99 on the website. I will leave everything linked down below, but if you want to see how I achieved that look, then keep watching. Okay, so I actually started off by shampooing and conditioning my hair. Following the rinse, my hair felt soft. It still feels like really soft. It's starting to feel a little dry because I need to spritz it a little bit and finish out the routine, but it feels really nice. Like, it just feels soft. That's the thing I can honestly say about it the most. Like, my hair feels so soft, so I really enjoyed that. So now to get into finishing off this routine, so now I am going to spritz my hair with some water, and I'm going to complete my routine using the Kimberly Elise Naturals hair product line. So I'm going to spritz my hair with water just because I got out of the shower, you know, lotion my body, got dressed, did all that wonderful stuff, turned on the camera, started talking. So of course my hair has started to dry a little bit. So now I'm just going to spritz it just because I like to have my hair kind of like re-moisturized, especially when I'm adding a leave-in conditioner. And I feel like the detangling process goes a little bit easier when my hair has water as well. So what I can say is my hair with the water feels so nice. Like, usually my hair takes a minute under running water to kind of like really soften up, but I don't know if it's the conditioner or what, but my hair feels really nice. So now I am about to go in with the Kimberly Elise Aloe Vera and Marshmallow Root leave-in. This is another product that I learned a little goes a long way. So I'm only going to grab what's in the cap, but you can see there is plenty. So I'm going to take a little bit on my finger, and once again, a little goes a long way. Like, you can feel how it just like it coats your hair so nicely. And that little bit I can feel on so my hair just, it almost feels like it's coating the strands and causing it to be a little softer. So and so at this point what I like to do is I like to take my small comb and just kind of make sure I kind of pick through it a little bit so that I can comb through. Alright, and look at that. Usually I have to do a lot more picking, but this is like, these products really work, and what I love is how they are formulated for kinkier texture hair, and you can really tell. Like, I can definitely see the difference. I can see how it is how my hair is reacting to it. So now I'm gonna go in with the Kimberly Elise Argon and Castor with Pomegranate Oil, Nutritive Sealing Oil. Oops. I'm gonna put a few drops in my hand and rub it through. So all of the products smell really nice. Even, I mean, everything has such a great scent to it. What I love about this right now is I can feel like my hair just feels so soft. I absolutely love just how soft my hair feels. And that comb through is no problem. So as of right now, my hair feels really soft. It definitely feels protected. It feels moisturized. My hair smells really good. These products just smell really amazing. I'm going to finish my normal hair routine and then I'll come back and kind of show you guys how my hair looks with my normal routine. But this is just with the products to really get your hair moisturized and feeling good, which I'm absolutely excited about. And I'm excited to style it up and finish off this video. So I'll be right back with my hair done. So I am back. My hair has been completed. You can kind of see my little curls. If you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please comment below and I will be sure to get a video out for you. But just wanted to come back on really quick and just kind of finish out the video, let you guys know that, you know, with my hair care process, so, you know, after I wash and condition and everything like that, there's another process of styling. And all of my styling tools, all of my styling aids that I use today went on flawlessly. Everything looks good. There's no white film, there's no buildup, there's nothing like that. So, you know, one of the things that I love about good hair care program is, you know, you have your conditioners and your shampoos, your cleansing agents, but you also have your styling aids, and those need to commingle, coexist without kind of like, you know, getting that cakey, funky white buildup. And so far so good. I'm absolutely loving it. My curls are popping today, which I absolutely love. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I will leave all the information for Kimberly Elise and her wonderful 4-step, and it's called the 4-step natural hair care system. So these are working out really well. Like I said, this has been my 3rd week using it. I think my hair looks good. It feels good. I absolutely love how it feels like my curls are popping every week. It feels like my hair is growing. I am really excited about this journey, and I'm definitely excited about these products because this is the 3rd week in a row, and I can honestly say I've been loving it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up. If you would like to see how I achieved this hairstyle, then leave me a comment below. And until the next video, thank you guys so much for watching. Deuces.